Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook mango sticky rice, a delightful Thai dessert. First, gather your essential ingredients: sweet glutinous rice, fresh ripe mangoes, creamy coconut milk, granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt. Begin by preparing the glutinous rice. Soak it for at least 3 hours or ideally overnight to achieve that perfect tender texture. Then, steam the soaked rice until it becomes beautifully translucent, which typically takes about 20 to 25 minutes. This initial preparation is key to a successful dish. Next, let's craft the luscious coconut milk sauce that gives this dessert its signature sweetness. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of rich, full-fat coconut milk with half a cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Gently heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring continuously until the sugar completely dissolves into the liquid. Remember, it's crucial not to boil the sauce. Simply warm it enough to smoothly integrate all the wonderful flavors. This creates the perfect base for our sticky rice. Now for the magical infusion of flavors. Once your glutinous rice is perfectly steamed and still warm, transfer it immediately to a large mixing bowl. Promptly pour the warm, sweet coconut milk sauce directly over the rice. Gently stir the rice, ensuring that every single grain is thoroughly coated with the rich, aromatic sauce. After mixing, cover the bowl tightly and let the rice sit undisturbed for at least 30 minutes. This crucial resting period allows the rice to fully absorb all the delicious, sweet coconut goodness. Finally, it's time to assemble and serve your exquisite mango sticky rice. Just before serving, carefully peel and slice your fresh, ripe mangoes into elegant, bite-sized pieces. Arrange a generous portion of the warm, sweet sticky rice beautifully on a plate, placing the vibrant mango slices alongside it. For an extra touch of indulgence, drizzle a little more of the remaining coconut milk sauce over the top and sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds or crispy mung beans for a delightful crunch. Enjoy this classic Thai treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.